Sing it again. Mommy,
You know what I will sing?
What?
You're taking orange to the face.
Stop throwing oranges at me. That's a waste of oranges, Cole.
You're taking orange to your face.
Stop throwing oranges. Stop throwing oranges. Stop throwing oranges. What the crap is wrong with you? We're all dead anyway.
I'm very out living in the face.
Stop throwing fruit. Keep singing. If you
US to the face.
Thanks for throwing my EOS. I needed that.
Take it avocado to the face.
Cole, if Mom finds Cole, you just cracked it open.
Oh, I didn't.
Yeah, you did. Look. You're paying for that.